Right, so let's talk about command line. Now, command line interface, what is it? Command line interface is a text-based application for giving commands, viewing, handling, and manipulating files on your computer, right? So command line interface comes built in for free in most operating systems. So when we talk of command line, it is used for viewing, handling, manipulating files on your computer. And when it comes to Windows, it is well known as the command prompt, right? And when you come to Mac OS or the Apple computers, it is known as the terminal. And on Linux based system, this is known as terminal or terminal emulator. So you have to know that on Windows, command prompt basically comes along with the Windows installation or the Windows operating system. So you don't have to pay for command prompt. The same thing applies to terminal. It comes along with a macOS operating system, and you don't have to buy or pay for it. The same thing comes along with a Linux based system. It comes along with it automatically, so you don't have to pay for it. So why are we talking about command line? Command line interface comes along with Python programming because when you are a Python developer, you should know what a command line is because you will be using command line a lot. All right, thank you very much for understanding. If you don't have any clue about this, you know now. And if you don't understand anything, please let me know in the comments in the questions and answers tab, and I'll be very happy to answer you. All right, thank you very much. And let's meet on our next video.